Hindi maipagkakaila ang husay ng mga Pilipino sa iba't ibang larangan saan mang sulok ng mundo. Hindi lang sa sports, entertainment at beauty pageants natin pwedeng ipagmalaki ang ating mga kababayan kundi maging sa sektor din ng medisina at kalusugan. Isang patunay ditong nurse na si May Parsons na nakabase sa United Kingdom. Nakakuha ng global recognition si Parsons matapos niyang i-administer ang kauna-unahang COVID-19 vaccine sa buong mundo noong December 8, 2020. Sa pagpunta ng CLTV 36 News sa London itong June 22 to 23, hindi namin pinalampas ang pagkakataon na makakwentuhan ang world-class nurse na tubong Tarlac.
And to give the vaccine and being a Filipino nurse, I think it's a profound honor for me. And I think it was really it's such a good timing that we as Filipino nurses have to find our voices, our image, our identity in a country where, there's a lot of us, but we are not being seen and we're not being heard. So I thought it was so timely. Now, when the vaccine happened, I was very proud, and I said to them, I'm a very proud Filipino-British woman nurse, and to give light to all of our fellow Filipinos, not just nurses, but all of the others that are working here, working hard and giving their best as Filipinos.
Mahigit 2 dekada nang nagtatrabaho sa National Health Service o NHS ng United Kingdom, si Parsons. Natapos siya ng kursong nursing sa University of Santo Tomas sa Maynila. Dahil sa kanyang kontribusyon sa laban sa pandemya, nagawaran siya ng George Cross Award, ang pinakamataas na pagkilala na maaring igawad sa mga sibilyan sa Britanya. Napili rin si Parsons bilang kauna-unahang Global Ambassador ng Occupational English Test o OET, isang English language test para sa mga healthcare professionals. Siya na ngayon ang tumatayong Associate Chief Nurse and Director for Risk, Governance and Compliance sa Buckinghamshire Healthcare NHS Trust. Samantala, isa si Parsons sa daan-daang Pinoy sa UK na nakisaya sa selebrasyon ng 126th anniversary ng Philippine Independence Day ng London Barrio Fiesta na ginawa sa Lambton Park, Hounslow Central. Kwento niya, malaking salik sa kanyang tagumpay bilang healthcare professional ang kanyang pagiging Pinoy.
We need to be proud of the culture that we grew up in. As a Filipino, we grew up to loving our families, and we center all of our lives with the love of our family. And that transcends to all of our relations, our communities, our friends, our neighbors. So our love for family and keeping them safe transcends not just yung hindi lang po sa bahay, pati sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak natin, sa mga kapitbahay natin. That's how we look after our neighbors. In the Philippines, we have such a thing as a bayanihan, and for nurses, that embodies what we do for our people. We care truly for the health and well-being of our patients, and that's because of our culture as Filipinos. We are compassionate, we care a lot about our families, and also we know that if somebody asks us for help, we will do our best to help them within our means.
Sa nasabing programa ay binigyan din ng plaque of appreciation si Parsons bilang pagkilala sa kanyang mga natatanging kontribusyon sa health sector at pagiging inspirasyon sa Filipino community sa London. Mula dito sa London, United Kingdom, ako si Sonia P. Soto, nag-uulat para sa CLTV 36 News.